In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and interpret a histogram in Power BI. We'll walk through each step with practical tips to ensure that by the end, you'll be confident in creating and analyzing your own histograms using this powerful tool. Let's dive right in. First, open up Power BI Desktop. This is the foundational step in working with Power BI as it provides all the functionalities needed to visualize your data effectively. If you're not already familiar with Power BI Desktop, you can download it from Microsoft's website and install it on your machine. Once you've got it open, we're ready to move to the next step. Next, it's time to import your data. Power BI supports a wide range of data sources, so you can bring in data from almost anywhere. For this demonstration, I'm assuming that your data includes links to photos or images. Importing your data is straightforward. Simply navigate to the Home tab, click on Get Data, and follow the prompts. Make sure your data is clean and well structured before importing, as this will save you time and potential headaches later on. Now that your data is loaded, let's create our first visualization. For a histogram, we'll start by selecting the clustered column chart from the visualization pane. This might seem a bit counterintuitive since we're aiming for a histogram, but the process involves starting with a column chart. Click on the clustered column chart icon to add it to your report canvas. With the chart inserted, you'll need to arrange your data to match that of a histogram. Go ahead and take your data set and drag the necessary fields to the X and Y axis fields of the column chart. The X axis should represent the different bins or categories into which your data is divided, while the Y axis should reflect the frequency or count of observations within each bin. You may need to adjust the bin size to ensure that your histogram accurately represents the distribution of your data. Interpreting the histogram is all about understanding the distribution patterns of your data. Look for any notable peaks which indicate common values or clusters within your dataset, while gaps may indicate sparse data points. Consider the shape and spread of the bars to infer the variance and range of your dataset. This visualization will help you identify trends or outliers, providing valuable insights into your data's behavior over time. And that's a wrap. With these steps, you're now equipped to create and interpret histograms in Power BI. Remember, the key to effective data visualization is practice and exploration, so don't hesitate to experiment with different data sets and visualization settings. Thank you for joining me today.